Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and lately we've been talking about the Galaxy Note 9 a lot, and it has some good upgrades coming from the Note 8, but lost one of the biggest headline features, the in-display fingerprint sensor that disappointed a lot of people. Now, Samsung's reason for this is because they are working on something even greater. Yes, early next year, Samsung is going to unveil what we believe to be called the Galaxy X, which will be the world's first smartphone to feature a folding display. Now, this will definitely change the game of the smartphone world, but at a huge price. Yes, the price is set to be around a whopping $1,800. Yes, that's $1,800. Now, whether we think this phone will actually be worth $1,800, we won't actually know until the actual unveiling, when we see what kind of features it has, what the phone actually looks like, if it's going to be attractive or not. In my opinion, this is a huge price tag that will definitely break the bank. And, previous leaks have been confirmed, though, that the phone will have a massive 7.3-inch OLED display when open and will reduce to just 4.5 inches when folded. It is said that prototypes will be shown at CES in January 2019, but no definite release date has been confirmed. So like I said earlier, this phone is definitely going to change the game. It's definitely going to turn some heads. I'm sure it's going to be great, have a great display. When you open it, you'll be able to use it as a tablet, and then you can close it and use it as a phone with the smaller 4.5 inch. Now, a lot of us aren't used to that small of a display being able to use with one hand. Smartphones have grown bigger over the years, over 6 inches, which a lot of us are used to with just one display, but you will be able to open it to 7.3 inches. Now, exactly if this is going to be successful or not, we're just going to have to wait and see how good this is actually going to work, or if it's going to create problems. So far, it does seem like a good idea. This does sound like the future. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comments, what you think. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up if you did like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. You guys, this is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.